नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I'm JVN Professor Bindu Sharma. Program name BA at 5th Sem. Subject name Pedagogy of Social Science. Module name Integration of different elements of social science. University name Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I'm JVN Professor Bindu Sharma. I welcome to all in university class. Today discussing integration of different elements of social sciences. Social studies is an integration of many of the subjects of the social sciences, arts and sciences. Social studies is a synthesis rather than a mixture of relevant component subjects, economics, political science, sociology, history, geography, anthropology, education, etc. In place of the initial threefold distinct distinction, four types of integration have emerged in the preceding sketchy analysis: cultural, normative, communicative, and functional integration. There are four types of integration: cultural, normative, communicative, and functional integration. Each varies along a continuum of its own, ranging from one theoretical extreme to the other. In social studies, integration refers to the consolidating of basic concepts, facts, and knowledge in subjects that are related from recognizable parts to from whole during the process of teaching and learning. What are the elements of social science? The major social sciences are anthropology, archaeology, economics, geography, history, law, linguistics, politics, psychology, and sociology. What is the importance of integration in social studies? An integrated curriculum is described as one that connects different areas of study by cutting across subject matter lines and emphasizing unifying concepts. Integration focus on making connections for students, allowing them to engage in relevant, meaningful activities that can be connected to real life. Examples and uses. In relation to tolerant and open society, members of minority groups often use social integration to gain full access to the opportunities, rights, and services available to the members of the mainstream of society within cultural institutions such as civic organizations. When two businesses are brought together through a merger or takeover, it is possible to define the nature and type of integration based on the activities of each business and where they operate in the supply chain of an industry. The types of integration are illustrated in the diagram below. Types of integration. In sociology, the concept of social integration refers to the ways that different groups come together to form a whole in society. It might refer to causes when minority groups become part of mainstream society or when groups or individuals come together to make a cohesive whole. Social science, which is generally regarded as including psychology, sociology, anthropology, economics, and political science, consists of the disciplined and systematic study of society and its institutions and of how and why people behave as they do. both as individuals and in groups within society. What is integration in the classroom? Integration refers to exceptional children being partially taught in a mainstream classroom. Activities are adopted so the student can fit in with their mainstream peers while learning skills that may be better practiced in a room with more age appropriate peers. Benefits of teaching with the integrated curriculum model. Focus on basic skills, content, and higher level thinking. Provides a deeper understanding of content. Encourage active participation in relevant real life experiences. Provided connections among various curricular disciplines. What is social integration in special education? Integrated education is one of the main factors of social integration of children with mental retardation and is a process of joint training and education. Education of children without developmental disabilities and children with disabilities by creating special provisions for their education. What is integration in simple words? Integration occurs when separate people or things are brought together, like the integration of students from all the district's elementary schools at the new middle school or the integration of snowboarding on all schools. Word differentiate meaning set apart, integrated is its opposite. What is an example of cultural integration? Examples of this practice include introduction of cultural foods, beliefs, arts to different culture various in various states. Integration has led to people calling a melting pot of cultural, which means that many cultures have come together and added their particular flavor to the general stew. What is integration of teaching skills? Integration, integrated skills focus on the four main skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Communicative language teaching methodology. New grammar patterns are learned in the context of a conversation or a real life situation. What is an example of integrated curriculum? In learning through the arts, for example, students learn math and science, concept and skill while singing, sculpting, painting, and dancing. Every student and teacher has a computer. Teachers integrated use into the curriculum rather than adapting curriculum to use of computers. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 JOP Vidyapeeth Women's University. You have any query, write in set up comment box, resolve your queries. Thank you.